it's a double court day for former President Donald Trump today. You have the hush money trial here in New York. It's entering its third day, while the U.S. Supreme Court is also hearing an argument in Washington over the former president's immunity bid in the federal election case. The hearing will determine if Donald Trump should be immune from prosecution or any other action that he took during his time as a president. Trump's immunity appeal is regarding the case of the election subversion, one of the four criminal cases the Republican presidential candidate faces. The federal case brought by special counsel Jack Smith back in December and accuses the former president of conspiring to block the peaceful transfer of power after losing the 2020 election to Joe Biden. In this case, Trump faces 3 felony counts to derail the transfer of power, this in part by affecting the voting rights of millions and pressuring government officials to override the election results based on his claims of fraud. The special counsel has argued that these efforts culminated in the event of January 6, 2021, when Trump supporters stormed the U.S. Capitol. The trial start date was set in March. However, Trump's lawyers filed a series of motions seeking to postpone the case against him. They argue that the accusations against Donald Trump fell within the range of presidential action that courts have often ruled and legally protected, at least from civil lawsuits. And now the question on whether an ex-president is immune from prosecution is legally untested in the U.S., as this is the first time the former White House occupant has been charged with a crime. The hearing is crucial as it will not only quash the charges against him, but also alter the U.S. presidency. If the theory of presidential immunity is adopted, it will provide extraordinary consolidation of power in the Oval Office. Trump is hoping for a friendly hearing from a court he had a critical role in shaping. There is a bench of 6 conservatives and 3 liberal judges, while 3 of the judges are appointed by him. Trump is forced to be present in the Manhattan court for the hush money trial and to watch his alleged tabloid co-conspirator David Pecker's testimony about the bid to kill, controversial stories that could have derailed his 2016 White House campaign. Now, it's also important to note that according to a poll by NBC, 1 in 4 voters could change their mind in a presidential race should the former president be convicted.
Well, we have a big case today. This judge isn't allowing me to go. We have a big case today in the Supreme Court on presidential immunity. A president has to have immunity. If you don't have immunity, you just have a ceremonial president.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.